guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, you're welcome. Before you leave this video, please do not forget to subscribe on the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a video. A very big thanks to all my returning subscribers. I appreciate you all. May God continue to bless you. And thanks to all my new subscribers. I appreciate you also. May God continue to bless you. Do not forget to share my video, leave a comment. Do all the necessary things. I will run. So this today is another look, another tutorial. If you want to see how I achieve this look, just stay to the end. See you on my next video. Love you all. Bye. Juicy. Ciao. Au revoir. So as you can see, I'm done with my eyebrow and my lid. So I use a elegant concealer and NYX concealer. I use the NYX up of my eyebrow. So that is it. So I'm going to blend a little bit of it, so I don't need to take so much time. Just to blend it a little bit. So we are going for another look. So I'm using Morphe palette. So yeah, it's old. So I'll be using this. So I will take from this color here, this orange. I don't know if you can see it. So I will just tap it, So I will do the same thing here. So I'm taking for Revolution. So I'll be taking from Revolution. So I'll be taking for this Pure Soul. Yeah, Pure Soul. So blend it together. I'm using this brush. cut crease. I'm using this brush here, so I'll be using this tiny brush. You know, it will give me the shape which I need. So I will use my brush to blend it a little bit, no? So I will use from this, I will take this black and this color here. That is what I'll be using for now. So I'll be using for one of this glitter eyeliner, the silver color. I'll be using the silver color. I'll be using my e.l.f foundation. So the full coverage, you know, cafe. So that is what I'm using, cafe. So let me just take it this way. So I was using my Smashbox setting spray. So I'm using my sponge, beauty sponge, to blend. So I'll go back with my same brush which I use for the foundation to blend everything together. So I'm using Revolution. So I'm using Revolution. I'm using the contour side. So this contour. I'm using MAC Studio powder to dust all the excess powder here. So I'm using my mascara to raise my natural lashes. So let me try this. So I'm trying to do a little dot of this liquid eyeliner. This a glitter liquid eyeliner. You know, to do a little drama, to play around with the makeup. Yeah. This lip liner, brown lip liner. So I'll be using this bold dark lipstick, lip gloss. I'm using this e.l.f. blush, so I'll be using the blush. I'm using for this Revolution highlighter, contour and glow. So that is what I'm using. So I'm using my Smashbox setting spray. So I'm coming back with the finished look. See you. So I'm back with the finished look. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. See you on my next video. Love you all. Bye. Juicy. Ciao.